2026 is the year the app died. We are now in the era of the autonomous agent. Why tap a screen when a neural orchestrator can do the work for you? Companies are replacing entire SaaS dashboards with simple, agentic interfaces. We're seeing Moltbook-style systems where AI bots negotiate contracts with other bots. The human role is shifting from doer to director. But this shift comes with a cost. A massive surge in energy demand that's reviving nuclear power. The future of software is not an icon on your phone. It's a voice in your ear.